Hello students, let us solve few questions of exercise 1.2. Let us solve the first question. Let us solve this one. We have to find a pair of integers whose sum is minus 7. Now integers can be positive or negative. We want their sum as minus 7. Let us consider the positive integers. Suppose plus a plus a and again plus a plus b. Both are the positive integers and their sum is minus 7. Let us solve plus a plus of plus. If I open the bracket, it is plus b. Now this situation is not possible because both the integers have same signs and answers cannot be negative because both the integers are the positive integers. So this situation is not possible. Now let us consider a positive and we have to take the sum and another integer negative integer and answer is minus 7. Let us open the bracket plus a as plus positive sign is there, so after opening the bracket it is minus b is equal to minus 7. Now we can think of two numbers a and b without signs such that answer should be sum 7 and the sign of b will be applicable, that means b should be greater than a. So we can think of, suppose consider minus 12 and plus 5. Here I thought b as greater than a. I am thinking b, which is 12, greater than a, which is 5. And in this case, according to the rules, the answer will be sorry, the answer will be minus 7. As we have the rule, if both the integers are different sign, we have to take the difference. So accordingly it is plus 5 minus 12, that is equal to 7, and answer will have the sign of greater number, that is 12. Now note that we are thinking about the integers which are plus a and minus b. So we can think plus a as plus 5 and minus b as minus 12. So this can be the first possible answer where sum of integers have the answer minus 7. Now there is one more possibility. Both a and b are negative. That means this integer and this integer, that is negative. So we can say that minus a plus of minus b is equal to minus 7. That means minus a minus b is equal to minus 7 after opening the brackets. Now signs are same, we have to do the addition and addition should be 7 and answer should have the sign of greater number. Either it can be a or it can be b. So we can say that we can imagine a as 2 and b as 5. So it will be minus 2 minus 5. So in this case b is greater, which is 5, and answer can be 7. As signs are same, addition is done and answer have the sign of greater number, that is 5. So second pair can be minus a equal to minus 2 and minus b, which can be equal to minus 5. Third pair is also possible where B can be negative, B can be positive, and A can be negative. You can try that pair, but for this question there are two possible answers, in fact infinite possible answers. Here in this case A is positive, B is negative. I have assumed A as plus 5 and I have determined the B as minus 12. So positive integer and negative integer whose sum is minus 7, and in this case both the negative integers have the sum minus 7.